My name is Mikael Bengtsson. I work as an industry strategist for food and beverage at Infor.
Yeah, my name is Bella Torres. I'm currently a business development representative for the process industry at Infor.
Sure. Infor is a software company and we deliver industry-specific cloud solutions. One of our focus industries are food and beverage. And for food and beverage, we have everything from ERP solutions, product lifecycle management, supply chain planning, and much more. And again, everything we build is built for that specific industry, so food and beverage in this case. I think it was a great event. I actually participated in the event last year too, and I think they are really well-run events. We also had a speaking session, so we had one of our customers on stage, Dawn Foods, and talking about their PLM implementation. And I think that went well, and also all the meetings that were scheduled for us were really good meetings, very good discussions. So overall, very, very good experience.
Yeah, I agree. This is my first event for food and beverage in specific, so it was a really great event. I think it was well planned. Generis did a great job sort of scheduling these meetings. These meetings are very high quality with great personas in specific, and I would love to attend again next year. Hopefully Infor could schedule that for us.